G'day legends, we're here at the beautiful Imbil. The crew have been swimming in the Yabba Creek all day, everyone's starving, we've had the fire cranking for an hour, the coals are getting perfect to cook on. Now when camping, you gotta keep it simple, but you still wanna eat beautiful food. So today I'm gonna show you a dish that I just love to eat. It's super easy, let's get to it. I've got a couple of beautiful organic chickens here I've just chopped up. I'm gonna spice them up, cook them over the coals, keep them nice and juicy, but get a nice smoky char on the outside. I've got some beautiful ripe tomatoes here. I'm going to mix with some bocconcini and basil, olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. Simple, beautiful salad. And to bring it all together, I've got some beautiful organic Greek yogurt. I'm going to mix it with some dill, some cucumber, some lime, and heaps of black pepper. Let's get to it. To start, my chicken's already chopped up. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, spice mix, salt, pepper. Coals are ready to go, so I'm going to get that cooking. While it's cooking, I'll get my salad ready and my yogurt dressing. So my chicken's here. Going to coat it with a good dash of olive oil. The olive oil is going to help the coals flame up and get real smoky and charry in that chicken. Good dash of salt. Heaps of pepper. You can always do more once it's cooked. And then this little spice mix. It's got no nasties in it whatsoever. It's just 100% spices, so I love this one. Just really coat it. It's got a lot of beautiful flavors in it. Get in there, get messy. Remember, we're camping. Go again. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it on. So I've got a perfect bed of coals here. Now the big logs that were still burning down the coals, I've just moved them to the side because I'm gonna need them again. This chicken is gonna take a little bit. The legs have still got bones in there, so they're gonna go on first by themselves and cook nice and slowly. I'm also gonna put a few little sticks on here because I wanna get that smoky flavor into them. Now my chicken's on, let's make the salad. Got my beautiful vine ripened tomatoes that are very ripe. I want that beautiful flavor and the juiciness. Just gonna roughly chop them. It really doesn't matter. Rustic is always good with this. I'm just gonna whack it into little chops. Next time we come here, there'll be a tomato bush right there. Okay, my tomatoes are chopped up. Got my bocconcini here. Rustically rip these up into a couple of pieces. Add them through. Basil, just rip it up, keep the leaves whole. Okay, good amount of salt. Heaps of pepper. And drown this thing in olive oil. All right, let's give this a quick mix. Beautiful. Now that salt is gonna break down those tomatoes. And some of that juice is gonna come out and make a beautiful little dressing. Now I'm gonna serve a little bit of lemon on the side of this if anyone wants a little bit of acidity. All right, let's go flip these legs over and get the chicken breast on. Yes, that's what we want. Now we want a really nice dark char on this. I want crispy skin. Because we have the bone in these, they're gonna stay incredibly juicy. Yummy! All right, I need some more heat. This is when it's good to have spare coals on the side. And also, when you're cooking over fire, don't be stupid, wear shoes, all right? Let's make the yogurt dressing. I've got a bunch of dill, I've got a cucumber, and a couple of limes. I'm gonna zest these and juice a little bit in. First thing, just grate your cucumber into a bowl. We want to get the excess juice out of this. Make sure you got clean hands. You just want to squeeze the juice out of it. Yogurt, cucumber in, good pinch of salt. Again, heaps of pepper. Now, we've got some dill here. Rustically pull the leaves off. Now, the stalks on dill are not hard, so you can use them a little bit too. I want to chop this really fine. A little bit of lime zest. Nice squeeze of juice. I'll probably use a whole lime juice in this. Two elements of the dish done. Chicken's almost there. It's all about timing. Let's go get it off. I've got an extremely crispy skinned chicken leg here, and I'm absolutely salivating. This is one of my favorite things to eat. Super juicy. A beautiful bocconcini tomato salad here. Look at that. All the juice in there, that's all the tomato. That's what the salt and olive oil has done. It's made a beautiful tomato dressing. Let's get a good whack of this yogurt. A little bit of lemon. My little Stratus kit here. Get in there. That is ridiculous. That is so easy to make. Cooked over coals, so you know there's going to be lots of flavour. And it took me like no time at all. Try this next time you're camping.